We have happy release day for you fellas, just to let you guys know. This is a band called MALTHUS. MALTHUS on Riveting Seas of Slaughter. Sounds brutal. It's on Slamtastic. What? So let's get into it. I'm excited. I don't know anything about these guys. I think this is their very first release, and it's been in anticipation. And I'm probably going to die, and I'm going to love it. So shut up, Yates. Let's get into it. MALTHUS on Riveting Seas of Slaughter. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Like. Let's go. The snare? Do we hear it? This is a very tight production and perfect. Yep. What? Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, that's Phil. Dude. Are we going back, I think? Okay. Y'all know that I'm a drummer. You fuckers know that I'm a drummer. And they stand out so much. They're so crisp and perfect. And for a first song, I can't get over how just pure amazing this is. This sounds so good. This is just flowy, well produced, unbelievable, man. It's different. This is a very different vibe. I love it. I respect it. Woo! By the way, we're not done. I feel something coming. There it is. I told you, I fucking knew it. I knew it! Titties! Oh my god, I knew it. I was like, there's no way that you fuckers are gonna end the song like that. Oh god, did you hear my elbow? MALTHUS? MALTHUS? Excuse me. Oh my god. Congratulations on the new song. Super freaking heavy, super freaking perfect. I knew it was going to be good. Again, one thing, in my opinion, first of all, the musicianship, the entire vibe of what you guys were going for, the different elements added into the song, definitely stood the fuck out. But dude, what stood out to me the most, in my opinion, was the production. Whoever produced, hang on, I'm going to give this guy a shout out. If he's on here, Show More, release single, Black and Deathcore, Arkansas. You guys are from Arkansas? What? Mix/mastered by Colossal Records. Whoever is in charge of Colossal Records deserves a massive pay raise, because that, with just the guitar to the drum elements to the screams to the filthiness, everything just aligned so well together. And thank you for the message. Means a fuck ton, man. Happy release day. Congratulations. That was Malthus with their song on Seas of Slaughter. Official lyric video 2022. Thank you from the bottom of my breakdown heart. I appreciate it. Hit the boys up. I'll put links down in the description. As always, I hope you guys enjoy the reaction as much as I did. Comment, subscribe down below.